Hi, folks. Andrew here, Top Fitness Strategies. Hey, if you're here for the first time, thank you for being here. Fantastic. Got new digs going on around me. And today I'm using natural light as my lighting. I have no studio lights on whatsoever. It's just all the light coming in from outside. So if it looks a little bit funky, that's why. I hope you understand. Okay, but today here at Top Fitness Strategies. Oh, by the way, here for the first time, once again, what we do is we focus on the fitness after 50 crowd, but that does not mean that all ages can't benefit from it. And I say I focus on that age group because that's where I am, and a lot of my friends are, and a lot of questions I get come from those people of that age group. All right, so keep in mind that's who I am teaching to, that's who I am training towards, who I'm training with, who I'm doing the training for, if that makes sense. All right, so the question comes up, especially the first of the year. And I bring this up because of the first of the year, people start saying, "Oh, I got to get back in shape. I got to lose weight. Got to hit the gym." Blah 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 blah. Anybody that's been in our industry for any amount of time knows that January is crazy month. And I'm not saying that in a negative way. I'm glad people are going to the gym. First week of January, crazy month. And the question comes up all the time: should I use free weights or should I use machine weights? Now, the athletic guys usually, but also some ladies. But I'm gonna put the guys in this group because I know a bunch of lunkheads we are sometimes when it comes to this stuff. We always think that we are in the same shape now that we were in high school. And what do we do in high school? In college, I should say, when we were athletes and working out back, back when we were playing sports, we worked out with free weights. So because free weights are the way to go, it's the only thing you should be going there. And man, this light is going crazy, isn't it? Wow, I got to do something about this lighting stuff. So, but the, it's how do I want to phrase this to not offend anybody? Not that I really base everything on not offending anybody. Listen, we're all here to learn. We're all here to teach. We're all here to do something to get healthier, whether it be teaching, learning, doing, talking, what have you. We're all here to do the fitness stuff. We're all here to get healthier. Okay. So if you get offended by something I say, it's not intentional. All right. Simple as that. I've lived a lot of this stuff, so I know what I'm talking about when it comes to the attitude and the mindset of this stuff. Okay, so all that being said, let's get back to the free weights. Us macho guys, all we want to do is free weights because that's all we were taught. We don't know any difference. If you haven't worked out since high school, or if you're an occasional workout person here and there, you gravitate toward the free weights, which is fine. I am not saying free weights are bad. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that whatsoever. But limit yourself. By that, I mean know your boundaries, know what you're capable of doing. If you were able to bench 300 pounds back in college and you haven't done a whole lot of it since, chances are you're not going to be benching 300 pounds now. I'm just saying. Could you? I'm sure there's some people out there that still could. Most likely, if you haven't been working out since then, you're not going to. And then, of course, you're not going to start out with 300 pounds on the bench anymore. Okay, let's get that straight. So, but the whole thing was free weights versus machines. Now, the advantage of free weights. Okay, I don't want to say advantage. The what's the good word I'm looking for here? With free weights, you're not isolating one particular muscle. For instance, if you're doing a bicep curl, get a picture here, bicep curl right here. When you do free weights, you're not just isolating that particular muscle because you have to stabilize everything. You have to balance it all out and as you're going. So you're using different muscles as well as your biceps to help out. I'm not saying that's right, wrong, good, bad. I'm just saying that's what it is. Versus a machine, if you go onto a machine that isolates the bicep, the machine is designed to only work the biceps. Will you have other muscles being worked? Probably. Depends on the machine, but not the same as you would in free weights. Again, I'm not saying one is better than the other. I'm saying they are completely, not completely, but they are different. The psychology behind each individual free weights or machines is you can almost say they're a 180, completely opposite of each other, of why one is better, why you should use one versus the other. Again, I am not focused on which one is better or which one isn't. I am focused on telling you what they are. Now, what you do and which one you go toward is totally up to you. But stay within your limits. Make the workout your own. No matter what you do in your workout, make it your own. That's the whole thing by working out, especially once you get over age 50 and you're just starting to get back into it. I keep hitting my microphone too. Sorry about that. Especially if you're getting back into it, be careful. Focus on what you're doing. Pay attention to what you're doing. This isn't back when we used to throw weights around back when we were athletes in college, if you were. All right. And some folks worked out after college. Some folks are weekend warriors at the gym. If you're, and I'm talking to the brand new person that's wanting to start working out at the gym, they don't know which way to go. I would suggest, if you don't know what to do yet, and you're going to the gym for the first week or two, and this is just a suggestion, and I'm only saying this because it's easier to do it this way. You take a lot of the guesswork out of it. A lot of the gyms have a circuit built in full of machines. You just follow, you go from one machine to the next, to the next, to the next, and each machine works on something different. Chances are that's going to be the easiest thing for you to get a workout in, especially if you don't know what to do. Follow the circle, the square, or the lines, however they have it set up at your gym. And if you don't know, ask somebody that works there. Say, okay, if I wanted to do circuit training with the machines, where should I start? And they'll help you out. Not a problem there. Now, for advanced folks that want to do the beach workout, the curls in the chest, come on, let's do a little more than that. Okay, you know what I'm talking about there. And again, I'm not saying one is better than the other. I'm just helping you understand which one you might want to go towards. Brand new person, I would suggest going toward the weights at this point. If you're going to a gym, home stuff is completely different. We'll talk about that in another video. If you're a veteran, a seasoned veteran, and you understand the free weights, how to use them, why to use them, when to use them, go for it. Make sense? Okay, fantastic. Hey, thanks for being here. Top Fitness Strategies. So subscribe. You know, everyone says that. Subscribe to the page. If you like what I'm doing, like what you're hearing, and want to hear more of it, fantastic. Go for it. And check out all the links below, and we'll go from there. So appreciate you being here. This is Andrew, Top Fitness Strategies. Until next time, ciao.